Alright, what's happening, guys? I wanted to go through and do a little video on how to open and close knives properly. One of the things that I get all the time in the knife shop is somebody will pick up a knife, or I'll hand it to them, it'll be open, or it'll be closed. One, they don't know how to open it, or two, you see them start kind of looking around, they don't know how to close it. So I figured I would address that. So we got a few different types of knives here. So we got one like this, not spring assist, really easy to open. All you're doing, pushing down on that and flicking it open. Without the spring assist, you use a little bit of wrist action, and then to close it, see that little piece right there on the inside. So whenever it opens up, it just clicks over, prevents it from coming down on your hand. Next one that we've got is going to be an OTF. Really simple. Push it up, pull it down. But a lot of people will sit there and push down on it. I'm not really sure why, but that's something that they do. So, up, down, nothing to it. This kind is spring assist, so you don't have to use any kind of wrist action or anything like that. All you're doing, use your thumb, push it open. Same type of closing mechanism. You're just pushing that direction. So you're just gonna push that out of your way and close it down. Now once you get used to it, you can do it with one hand. And yeah, there's nothing to that. But remember, push it that way. And whenever it's opened up, just look over at it and you can see it click into place. So that's that. This one's one of my favorites. With this one, you've got this option where you can push down on it and open it up, or you've got the thumb, or the way that I always like to open it is just by pushing that down. So you can use your palm, open it up like that, and then to close it, one-handed operation. So y'all can see that, because a lot of people like the way that that opens up. All you're doing is taking that, putting your that little piece into the palm of your hand, keeping your fingers clear of everything, and then push it down. Then you're right there ready to rock and roll. All right. Next up, you got the back lock on this one. So what you're gonna do is just keeping your fingers clear, just push down on that, close it. This is actually my knife, the one I carry. Not spring assist, so you do have to use a little bit of wrist action in there. Comes out, got the logo, and push that. Now you can do it with one hand. I just push it and then close it down like that. Really simple. Alright. And you have push button. All you're doing is pushing the button, close it down, push the button again. And a lot of them are like that. So push it to open it, push it to close it. Simple. Alright, then you've got the butterfly knife. All you're doing with this, I'm gonna tilt this up a little bit, flipping it over, alright, turning it, flipping it back. It's kind of hard to do it slow, but just like that. So flip, flip, close. I'll try to slow that down so that y'all can see that. And then you get like 12-year-olds up in here that can spin them around their fingers and do all types of stuff like that. I cannot do that. I cut myself every time. So those are the basic functions of how to open and close the more common knives. Yeah, one thing that I get all the time is some dude will come in and, you know, big beard, you know, looking all military, and he open it up and then he just starts looking. and it trips me out every single time. And then I have to teach them how to close a knife, you know, depending on which kind it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and all of that good stuff. That is pretty much it. Y'all have a good day. Bye. What? You realize I have a YouTube channel, right?